beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Napford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with... That's perfect! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's perfect! That's the way! That was so much fun! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Left leads. The rolling bridge is just there. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. That's perfect! Thanks for helping out! Let's go find that toy! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Well done! We all love your train set! It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... We're almost at the town square. Left leads to... We're almost at the town square. I love that! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Forward leads. The tunnel is nearby. Forward leads to the tunnel. The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Good job! Super cool! Good job! That was off the rails! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Left leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Excellent! Great! Thanks a lot for your help.